Hi guys, welcome to another Living in City TV video. David here. So today we are going to see the Ellipse Towers right here in Waterfall City. Don't you believe me? Stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind. Okay, let's go in. So this is one of the entrances that you guys can actually walk. There, you guys can walk through that door or park inside of the building. Okay, let's go to the Luna Club. Okay, before you guys actually access to the building, you guys need to go through this that will scan your face. So, security all the way. But it came all the way from there.
There's going to be live day spa, which is
No problem. So this is the new restaurant called Olives and Plates. You guys go outside. So very cool ambience. So for cold nights. Okay, to access to the Luna Club, especially if you're a resident, you can go directly from the elevator from your residence literally to the restaurant.
Yeah.
Okay, so quickly, the camera is there, the panic button is there, and the reaction unit is there. So in 2 minutes they will come to you, and even if you park on a parking area that is not designated for you, they will come to you and say that you need to take the car out of there quickly. By the way, in order, if you want to come also, if the parking for example is full, you guys can also park on that side and walk all the way to the building. Okay, so now we got this door here, which is basically pedestrian only. Only residents can use it, and you guys have also fingerprint access only. And you guys can go from here, walking to Mall of Africa, which is just there. Okay, so curious thing also to mention is conference center. New one is going to be here, and Amazon has already those two buildings there, so they're just finishing this now. But things are definitely going beautifully. Okay, let's have now, so we got a gym here. This project came a long way. And this is the heated pool. There you go, a heated pool only for residents. Okay. So view of the gym now. So this is the gym. Straightforward. Okay. So, a proper gym with all the amenities. Only for residents, of course. You have access to this specific gym. Okay guys, so let's check the first penthouse. See what do we have here. Well, the first penthouse that goes for 15.5 million. Beautiful island, just to start this. Look at this beautiful kitchen, beautiful island. Of course, you guys are dying to see the view, so let me show you the view. New olives and plates that just opened. Funny enough, I thought it was only 3 towers, so now we're gonna have a 4th tower there, which will be completely amazing. Small pantry here. See what we have on this side. So for the size of it, I think this will be the master bedroom. And then we have this view of the Netcare Hospital. Also from the pools. Wonderful 180 view from Waterfall itself. A nice wardrobe with a lot of space. So like I mentioned, the penthouse will go for 15.5 million. Tell me what you guys think down below. Now imagine just have your little corner away from the world, just here. Okay, now let's see also the other rooms. So the rooms are quite small. Got a lot of space with wardrobes. So the plugs, remember in South Africa we use a triple plug, so make sure if you're coming from overseas you guys bring your adapters, or you need to buy adapters here. Fantastic. Very nice details and finishes also. We also have this room here. Very nice. So every room basically has their guest en suites. You guys can see also. Okay, now we're going upstairs. So the main space of the house, I guess. Let's call it this way. There you go. This is like the crown jewel of the, well, right at the top of one of the penthouses. Impressive to see that most of these apartments are already gone. It's a very good indicator. Of how successful this development really is. You get your own dry area. And the cool thing is, you guys see one tower, you guys basically have an idea of what the other two are look like. So I don't even know what floor we are at. But there you go. Your personal pool. We are at the summit. So you guys have a jacuzzi here and a small pool, and also a guest room there, guest bathroom. So don't have an idea to use this as a platform to jump to the pool down there, because you guys will be dead. So no, don't have any funny ideas. But look at this. Even if you have any emergency, you guys have like the Net Care Hospital just here. Impressive. I know the phone is nice, but being here is even better. Wow. Okay, anyway. Show you guys now the guest bathroom. Definitely a great play area. Okay, awesome. For you guys, a little bit of highlights of the view from here. First, the highlight from where you guys are actually, right? And then Senton. Yeah, like we are in the middle of anything you guys can imagine. A part of Waterfall. Okay, so a curious thing about the pantry is you guys have the dishwasher here and also the washing machine. And there you go. So let's see these details. Just love this from above. Okay, wait, just look at this amazing feature. Look at those USB ports, right? Very interesting. Look at this. If you're working from home. Wow. Okay, now we are inside of the next penthouse, which is literally next to the Penthouse that was 75 million. Fantastic. Looks very homey, this one. Homelier. Fantastic. Look at the view. So we're inside of the Cassini Tower at the moment, which was the latest that was done. The fourth one is also coming up. You guys can see that we are actually higher than the other buildings. So this is actually a 14th floor. You guys can see we are above Olives and Plates or the Luna Club. So now let's see the first room. Tell me what you guys think down below. Like I mentioned, this is a penthouse, so there is an upper floor. Fantastic. Give you guys an idea, the fourth tower is already 70% sold. That's how popular this project really is. Another thing that I forgot to mention is there is no load shedding in this building. It doesn't affect you whatsoever. And funny enough, many people have been buying more than one apartment, penthouse. Even the Airbnbs that are here are like 100% occupied for the last like 2 years. What do you think? This is boss status, eh? Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're going all the way up. This is the next floor. You guys can see that it is plenty of space, wardrobe, but this one is different because you got this room here, right? And then you walk all the way in here. And then of course we have what? You have this. Fantastic. So this penthouse that we just saw goes for 8.1 million rent. Okay, so we are on the 14th floor. Okay, so next to the PwC tower, there is this little say property, let's put it this way. So there is this part here and that space. So there are going to be built 2 twin towers here. 10 floors higher than the PwC. This is just mind-blowing. Now let's see the most magnificent penthouse of the 3. Wait until you guys see this. So this is the kitchen with beautiful white marble. I'm loving what I'm seeing here. So this one goes for 11.1 million, apparently. So guys, when the 4th tower here at Ellipse is finished, 2 new will be born there. Will come up as twin towers. Now imagine this amazing apartment with those 2 towers. Something else, eh? So, and they're already demarcating here this area, so I think there's a few clusters are going to be built here. Yeah, but as there's a 40-year plan for this place. Huge, huge, huge. This is just beautiful. This is officially the biggest and most incredible project in the African continent. The cool thing about the Waterfall cities, like I say, everything is planned for the next 40 years, you know? So there is no everything. So if you come and invest in Waterfall City, you guys know already what's going to happen. Look at this room. Look at this room. Look at this room. This is boss status. 11.1. And this is going quickly. No, this is definitely beautiful, eh? Stunning. Yo, this was designed by a man, built by a man for a guy to buy. This is like the proper penthouse for a guy. Now the master bedroom is actually upstairs. Madre mia! Look at the size of this veranda. Yeah guys, we are at the top of Cassini still. So there is this small guest toilet, but look at the detail. Look at the detail. So with marble. You can see that this Cassini tower was done with TLCA. I'm so looking forward to see Waterfall City in another 10 years. Another wardrobe, 2 wardrobes, right? This place will be amazing. So if you guys haven't bought yet property here, you may. If this video doesn't convince you guys, I don't know what will. Tell me down which of these 3 penthouses do you guys like the most. This for me is the winner. Oh, okay, wait. Let's see this. Very gently. Look at this. Fantastic. Wow. Another thing which is important is also... There you go. Internet ready to go. And of course, side of the pantry you got also the dishwasher. Okay, so then, of course, washing machine. Okay, now we're going to do the 2-bed apartment here inside of the Cassini. So guys, this is the amazing kitchen. And you know the feeling is like you are still inside of the penthouse, you know. This is just the bottom floor, if you know what I mean. The quality of the construction is just amazing. Incredible. Of course, the dishwashing machine, and the washing machine here. The beautiful marble stove, the view. Fantastic. The wooden floors just give it a nice, fresh look into the house. Now imagine you buying one of these beautiful apartments. You put it on the Airbnb for 2,400 a night, right? And remember, this is mid-range, so this is in between Joburg and Pretoria. So many business people will actually Airbnb your place very quickly. Now think about it. You buy an apartment here, you have the Airbnb, 2,400 per day. Now make the accounts. How much per month you will get? No, I'm definitely beautiful here. This is just incredible. I like it. As a minimalist like me, let's see these things. Ready to go. Fantastic. Look at that. 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 There you go. Okay guys, we are done. Okay, we are done at the moment. I hope you guys enjoy the experience here with us. Quick disclaimer, try, if you guys are not good with your steering wheel and you guys are afraid of you know, if you get a little bit claustrophobic when you park, don't park inside of the building. If you come early in the morning, that's fine. If you come early in the morning, it's fine. You guys can park there in front, right? If you guys go there inside. But inside of the building, it's kind of difficult because I was in a place that it was tough to get out of there. So make sure if you come after one that you park there and not inside of a building.